Indexing is a crucial service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves organizing and categorizing data to make it easily accessible and searchable. In manufacturing, indexing is used to manage large volumes of data, such as product specifications, inventory records, and production schedules. By indexing this data, manufacturers can quickly retrieve information, track progress, and make informed decisions. Indexing involves creating a system of keywords and tags that are associated with each piece of data. This system allows manufacturers to quickly search for and retrieve specific information. For example, a manufacturer may index their inventory records by product name, SKU number, and location. This allows them to quickly locate a specific product and determine its availability. In addition to improving data accessibility, indexing can also improve data accuracy. By organizing data into a structured system, manufacturers can reduce the risk of errors and inconsistencies. This can lead to improved product quality, increased efficiency, and reduced costs. Berkness Company, a manufacturing company that specializes in material handling equipment, understands the importance of indexing in the manufacturing industry. With over 50 years of experience, Berkness Company has developed a reputation for delivering high-quality products and services to their customers. As a leading provider of material handling equipment, Berkness Company relies on indexing to manage their inventory and production schedules. By indexing their data, they can quickly locate products, track progress, and make informed decisions. This allows them to deliver products to their customers on time and with the highest level of quality. If you are interested in learning more about indexing and how it can benefit your manufacturing operations, Berkness Company is here to help. By visiting the Contact Us page on their website, you can reach out to their team of experts and learn more about their indexing services. With their experience and expertise, Berkness Company can help you improve your data management and take your manufacturing operations to the next level. FAQs. 1. What is indexing in manufacturing? Indexing in manufacturing refers to the process of moving a workpiece or tool to a specific position or angle in order to perform a specific operation. This is typically done using a rotary indexing table or other type of indexing mechanism. 2. What are the benefits of indexing in manufacturing? Indexing can help improve efficiency and accuracy in manufacturing processes by allowing for precise positioning and alignment of workpieces and tools. It can also help reduce the need for manual labor and increase productivity. 3. What types of indexing mechanisms are commonly used in manufacturing? There are several types of indexing mechanisms used in manufacturing, including rotary indexing tables, linear indexing systems, and cam-driven indexing systems. The specific type of mechanism used will depend on the specific application and requirements of the manufacturing process. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.